Hello students, let's read this question. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following without any calculation. So in first we have given 64. So we can apply here the division method, for which we have to make pair of 64. So we can easily see that 64 is perfect square of 8, which is 64. So we just have to multiply 8 by 8 to get 64. So this will, subtracting this, we get 0 as a remainder. So we can say that from here we can say that under root of 64 is 8. Now move on to the second one, which is 144. So making the pair of 144 and applying the division method, we can say that 1 is, we have only 1 which is subtracted from 1. So we get 044, and multiplying 1 by 2 we will get 2 and blank. So for 44 we have to multiply 22 by 2 for getting 44. So this will give us the remainder 0. So that means the square root of 144 is 12. Now move on to the third one. Also, we have to tell the number of digits in the square root of each of the following. So here the number of digit is 1, and here the number of digit is 2. So move on to the third one, which is 4489. So 4489 can be grouped as like this. Now using the division method, we have 6 times 36. So subtracting this from 36 we will get 8, 8, 9. So doubling the 6 we will get 12. Now if we take 7 and multiplied by 7, we will get 889. So this will give us 0 as remainder. So we can say that under root of 4489 will be 67. And here we can say that the square root of this number will give us a 2-digit number. Now move on to the fourth one, which is 27225. So making its pair, so 25, 72, 2. Now applying the division method, we have 1 square 1, which can be subtracted by 2. So this will be 172. Now doubling 1 we will get 2, and taking 6 and multiplying by 6 we will get 156. Subtracting this we will get 1625. Now doubling 16 we will get 32. Now taking the 5 and multiplying by 5 we will get 1625, which will be equals to, subtracting this we will get 0. So by this method we get the under root of 27225 as 165, which is a 3-digit number. Now move on to the fifth one, which is 390625. Now, first making the pair of this and applying the division method, we have 36, which is 6 square. For subtracting from 39, we get 3 and 06 as carry. So, doubling the value of 6, we get 12. If we take 2 and multiplying by 2, we will get 244. Subtracting this, we will get 6225. Now, here it will be doubling of 62 will be 124. Now, taking 5 and multiplying 5, we will get 6225. So, subtracting this, we get remainder 0. That means we can say that under root of 390625 will give us the value as 625, which is a 3-digit number. So, as we can see a pattern that if we have 3 2-digit pairs, then we get the number of values as 3. Similarly, if we have 3 pairs, we get the number of digits as 3. If we have 2 2-digit pairs, we have the perfect square root as 2. Again, here we have 2-digit perfect square, and here we have only one pair, so we have one perfect digit square root. So from this we can say that we have calculated the number of digits in the square root for each of the following without any calculation. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.